Hi guys, this is Jana O'Brien from Lighter Self with Sunshine here, and today we're gonna do some meditation to release fears. Before I begin the meditation, I would just like to explain to you a little bit about this meditation, and it's based in yoga. And in yoga, we have this belief that we have different energy centers in our body, and we have the main ones that we use the most are the 7 chakras that are along our spine. And the root chakra, which is the one that's right in your coccyx and plus 3 vertebrae in your spine, right in your pelvic floor, is a red lotus flower. It has like 4 petals and like a square for anyone who wants to know like how does it look like when you're imagining it. And it's red, and that chakra is the chakra of survival and instinct and power. So when we have all the energies flowing through our energy centers with ease, we feel empowered, we feel strong, we feel safe. And when we're going through traumatic events, for example, a pandemic, or if we're going through any event that causes a lot of fear, we can start having blockages on this chakra, and those blockages prevent the energy to flow with ease. And it's believed that when the energy is not flowing with ease in this chakra, that we have a lot of diseases that can happen within our body, within our mind. For example, diseases in the body are, the chakra is related to the fight or flight or freeze response, or the adrenals, so we can start having adrenal fatigue or problems with like lack of energy throughout the day, or we can start having other problems. This chakra is related to other organs too, and the bones and the arteries that are related to the left side of your heart and your colon. So you can have different problems. You can also have the disease of the mind. For example, you can start having problems with the way you're eating. You can like binge eat, or you can have like your perceptions not be very clear, and then you have these lenses now that change the way you're seeing reality, and now you start having problems with your relationships and with the way you relate to the reality and to the people around you and to your environment. So when we have the energies flowing through these channels and flowing through your root chakra, you're gonna feel strong, powerful, centered, at home. You can feel like you can conquer the world. So this meditation helps clear that chakra. And another thing I would like to tell is you don't have to sit in Sukhasana pose. Sukhasana pose is the cross-legged position where you put the right foot underneath your left knee and the left foot underneath your right knee. You can be on your knees, you can lay down in Shavasana like yoga, lay down on your back with the palms of your hands up by your side, or you can sit on a chair, whatever you're comfortable. For me, I like to sit like this, and I don't cross my legs that way because it bothers my knee, my left knee. Ever since my surgery, I lost almost most of my meniscus on the left side, so this is comfortable for me. Another thing you can do if you want to try sitting cross-legged in Sukhasana is you can place pillows or a block or anything that can elevate your hips above your knees, and that's going to make you more comfortable so that you're sitting upright and you feel more comfortable this way. And so without further ado, let's just start the meditation. I'm going to be using my singing bowls, and I'm gonna ask you to chant with me at some point, but you can keep your eyes closed throughout the whole thing, okay? So let's start, and I'm gonna start by asking you to close your eyes And I'm going to start using my singing bowl right away. And the singing bowl is just helping us synchronize the vibration of our root chakra. I want you to start breathing and focusing on your breath. You can just listen to the vibration of these bowls. One is the root chakra bowl, the other one is the crown chakra. And I want you to start imagining this red ball of fire right in your pelvic floor. That's your root chakra. And with each inhale, this ball of fire is going to become brighter and redder, more red. And with each exhale, you're going to start expanding this ball of fire to reach your whole body, so that your whole body is bright, shining red, bright light. Light is going in each cell of your body. Each cell is bright red. And as you exhale, this red light starts going away from your body to 1 arm length, all the way, like a bubble, a red bubble of fire, of red fire around your body. Now I'm gonna ask you to start chanting the mantra LAM, L-A-M, which is the mantra of the root chakra. Inhale. I feel centered. Gently say this to you in your mind. I am home. I am connected to my body. My body is home. I feel safe and secure. I stand for my values, truth, and justice. I have what I need. I am infinite possibilities. I'm grateful for my challenges because they make me stronger. I'm fearless. I trust myself. I love myself. I'm kind and compassionate to myself. Inhale deeply, feeling your tummy, your lungs, your chest, all the way to your clavicle. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Just feel the effects of the vibration and this meditation in your body. You can open your eyes now. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next video. Namaste.